Welcome to our eel factory, which specializing in produce rose animals such as dog, bunny, bear, unicorn, and heart. We supply most of them to our clients, which they supply to supermarkets. It's widely used for Mother's Day, Women's Day, Valentine's Day. Let me introduce why we can maintain our strict quality, because all our workers are full-time employed. They have more than 5 years only gluing this rosebear. These are all products after finished, but under quality control, under checking, and before we packaging them, we will check it one by one. These are finished bears are waiting for packaging to load into the containers. We have very strict quality control system. Before packaging, our workers will double check the quality of the bears to make no hair and no flowers falling off, and to select the glue, and to ensure the customers receive the bears all in a very perfect appearance.